Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a bucket server and connect to it. Now this is meant for offline use only, or cracked client. Don't tell anybody I said that, okay? But you can make it for online if you want. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to type in bucket server. Now when you go to download it, make sure, especially, well, for the 1.46 version, make sure you get the development version of it. You don't want the stable build, because that will not give you, see, the recommended build is showing for 1.4.5. Now the 1.4.5, well, it's not going to work with the new version of, Minecraft, so you have to make sure you do that. So we're going to make a new folder in my messy downloads folder, or in my messy documents folder, but I'm going to make this folder called Minecraft Server YouTube. And I'm not going to allow you guys to connect this. I'm just naming it that. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag the craftbucket.jar into this folder and just get rid of all of that and make it just craftbucket.jar. Now, you have to go online and get the run script for it. Okay, so we're going to craft bucket and installation. Okay, so we're going to have to modify the command a little tiny bit. If you want to make it offline and work with offline. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to create a new text document. Make sure you can view extensions. If you can't, you can also just open up Notepad and do it from there. I'll show you both ways. This easiest way is new text document. Make sure, like I said, you can use extensions and just name it whatever you want. You can name it yiggifiggy.bat if you want. It'll tell you if you change the file name, it may become unusable. That's okay. Right click. Now you can edit it. And you're going to copy the code from that link up there. Now the one thing you're going to have to do to change this is you're going to remove that right there, because that makes it so the online mode is set to true no matter what you put in your configuration. It'll always set it to true. Now run the file. And now it's going to tell you, oh, there's all these problems here. You know what? That's interesting. I don't think I have any. I mean, I have my other server running, but it uses a different port. I'll stop that server really quick and just see what happens. Huh. Let me make sure there's no. Why is there Java W running? It's using like 25% of my CPU. Weird. If I knew that was using my CPU, I would have stopped it. So now I'll just wait for this to go through its steps here. It'll take a while the first time to start up, but after that, okay. So now you're gonna type in stop to stop the server. You always type in stop. Never press the X button, otherwise it will not save your your information. You have to type in stop. Okay, so now you're going to go to server.properties, edit with Notepad, and make it so you can use it offline. You're going to do false. Now I have a custom texture that I'm going to set up. Okay, because I use like invisible windows and stuff. Anything else you want to change, you can change. If you want to allow nether, and you can change the difficulty. For this video, I'm just going to set that to 0, and game mode 1, which will set it to creative. Okay, so now you can start your server back up again. Now, Well, that's working. I'm going to show you how, like in offline mode, you can actually change your username. Now, yes, I'm using a cracked client, but by default the name is player. But using this script here, you can actually change your name. So it starts it with a different name. I can put any name in there. So I have a shortcut on my desktop, but I just press a button on my keyboard to open it. Now I'm also using like Minecraft Forge and several plugins. So, okay, I'm gonna get that out of full screen, so hopefully it'll allow you to continue viewing it. Now in 3D. It's been in 3D for a while. So what you're gonna do is go to multiplayer. Okay, so my server can't reach. Okay, so what you can do, I'm gonna rename this to YouTube Test Server. And now for server address, if it's on your local computer, type in 127.0.0.1, and then the port number. If it's 266 or 26665 or 266565, whatever it is, just leave it blank. But if you change the port, you have to put that in using that, and then whatever port number you put in. Okay. Now, if it's on the computer's network, you have to go to that particular computer, do CMD, and then type in ipconfig. Okay. And then look for your network adapter and the IP address of that. I believe on Linux the command is fconfig, but I'm not sure. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do localhost. You can also do that. And then you can click done, and you can see it did actually connect to it. So we're gonna connect right into it. Okay, so now I was saying the server recommends the use of custom texture pack. If you watch the configuration bar down below will change. I guess it didn't for some reason. And I spawned right inside of a tree. So that's how you make your own Minecraft server. You can install all the mods you want to it. Go modding crazy. I don't care. For some reason it looks like there's sheep. You know, I've never seen sheep this close to a spawn point before. Oh, here's a little trick. If you, I already killed a raw chicken somehow. Anyway, if you get the shears, you don't have to kill the sheep. Instead, you can right-click on it, and you can get more wool sometimes. If I right-click on this sheep, I just got 3 pieces of wool from him. Right-click on this sheep, I just got another 3. So using shears, you can get more wool from sheep. Therefore, making that more usable. So I guess I just spawned near a jungle. So now you can use all the typical server commands like TP player if you had more players on there, but I don't have any players on there right now. You can do game mode. I think that's default, but you can also type. So yeah, that's how you set up your own Minecraft server. I'll show you multiple players connecting. I'll connect using another Minecraft client. So I'm going to show you the teleporting. I think this is the file. Yeah, okay. So this will start up another Minecraft server with the name Lightning. If you look at my CPU usage, it's not the easiest for my computer to do all this at the same time. See over there. So this is really pushing it. Alright, so I already have that in there. Actually, it could be that I mistyped the texture, or the way I did it. And you can just use, or you can press escape to bypass it, yeah. So now, this is even laggier than before. 15 frames a second. Again, I'm running 2 Minecraft clients. And then, but then I can use the TP Justinator and then lightning. Yeah. Oh, okay, I'm not admin on this server, so I can't use the stop command, but now to op yourself, it's actually pretty easy. You go to the server window. Okay, this is not the server window. Okay, you go to the server window and you type in op and then the username. So Justinator, op, lightning. Now they're both on. Excuse me. So I just made it rain. So then, now you can stop the server using the command stop. No, say server closed. So yeah, that's how you set up your own Minecraft server. Thanks for watching my first video 2013, and I have not made an intro yet for it, so I have to do that.